How to set app specific do not disturb for games and streams. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can set app specific DND for games and streams. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First, what you'll need to keep in mind is that if you're on your iOS or your basically iPad or iPhone, you can create custom modes that activate automatically when you open specific apps, and you can customize all of that for your DND or focus mode. For Android, you have a built-in game mode which features or a general modes and routine section that offers app-specific DND settings. So for that, head over to your settings to find your game mode or turbo, whichever is in your device. So you can search for the game mode, you can search for game, and you can find the game mode special features. Then after you're there, tap on game mode. And after you're there, you can now add your games and streaming apps to the launchers list. Tap on game list management. And from here, you can tap on see other apps and choose all the apps that you want. So let's say that I'm using my YouTube for streaming. I can locate YouTube and enable that. Now it's been added on the enabled apps list. Now whenever I open up my YouTube, it will go to the game mode. So let's open up our YouTube. You can see the game mode turning on. You can tap on this and you can now simply adjust what you want. So you can see your notification, which is on minimal. If you tap on it, you can turn it to default or turn it off as well. You can see your brightness lock and you can see your calls. So you can set up all that, and yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.